Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can receive incoming calls while you're in another call on your Android phone. Okay, if we want to receive incoming calls while we are in another call, we have to activate the call waiting feature. So first of all, we can open our phone application on our Android phone. Then we're going to tap on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then tap on settings. Then on the settings menu, we can tap on the supplementary services. It's over here. Then here you can activate the call waiting feature. So you can select the SIM card you want to activate your call waiting feature on, and you can select SIM 1 or SIM 2. And for example, I'm going to activate call waiting feature on my SIM 1, so we can click on the circle button on the SIM 1. Okay, and now the call waiting feature has been activated, and right after you activate this feature, you will be able to go back and forth between two calls on your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can receive incoming calls while we're in another call on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.